Hi, welcome to online emath classes. So in this video, we are providing a complete course of Vedic lectures regarding on basics, and we are giving every detail of Vedic mathematics. So we are discussing now the first principle of Vedic maths, that is Ekadikena Purvena. So this is the one of the application, this division procedure. Here the denominator, the last digit must be 9, and the remaining digit, so you have to do Ekadikena, that means 1 plus 1 will be 2. Okay. So you should write the first, this one here as a last digit, and this 2 will be the multiplier. So every time you are going to multiply with 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Okay. 2 twos are how much? 4. Next 4 twos are 8. Fine. And next 8 twos are 16. And remember 1 in your mind. 6 twos are 12. Okay. 12 and that 1. 12 plus 1, 13. So again 1 you should remember. Okay. 3 twos are 6 plus 1. How much? 7. And in this step there is no remembering that 1 or something else. Okay. Now 7 twos are 14. So now you have to remember 1. Okay, because 14 has one more digit, 1. Keep that 1 in your mind. Okay. Next 4 twos are 8 and that 1, 9. 8, 1, 9. Okay, clear? Next 9, 9 done. Okay. So no more remembering. Okay. 9 twos are 18. So 8 here, remember that 1. 8 twos are 16, that 1. How much? 17. Again, you should remember one more 1. Okay. And 7 twos are 14, that 1. 15. Again, remember 1. Okay. And 5 twos are 10, that 1. 11. Again, remember 1. Fine. 1 into 2, and that 1. 3. Okay. Just every time you should add it to it. And now in this step, there is no remember. Okay. No, not needed. 3 twos are how much? 6. Fine. No more remembering. Next 6 twos are 12, and keep in your mind 1. Okay. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. Next 5 twos are 10. 10 means 0 and 1 in your mind. 0 into 2, 0, and this plus 1. So 1. Again 1 into 2, 2. And 2 into 2, 4. That means these decimals are repeating. You can understand from first and last, the decimals are repeating. So that means you have to cancel the repeating decimals. It's 4 to 1. Okay. And every decimal will be repeated in the same manner. Okay. So there you have to stop and make a decimal here, dot, that means point, and make it before that decimal will be 0, digit will be 0. Now this is the answer, everyone. In this way you can answer this type of questions. Now we will do one more example. Okay. So in this example, take some random number 4 out of 39. Fine. Now this 4 will be the last decimal. Okay. And Ekadikena, so the last digit must be 9, and remaining digit 1 more than the, that is, says the Vedic rule says Ekadikena, 3 plus 1 is 4. So that means you are going to multiply this 4 to every time, each decimal, right? So 4 fours are how much? 16. So 1 will be, 1 should be keep in your mind, 1. Okay. Next 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24, and that 1, 25. Now in this term you should remember 2 in your mind. Okay. 5 fours are 20, and that 2. 20, that 2. 22. Again you should remember 2. Right. Now 2 fours are 8 plus 2. How much? 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 here, 1 in your mind. Fine. 1 in your mind. 0 into 4. 0 plus 1. Right. 1. Next 1 into 4, 4, fine. Next 4 into 4, 16, 1 in your mind. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. That means you can observe these decimals are again repeating. You can understand that. So that means after understanding the decimals are repeating, so you have to erase those decimals which are repeating, and that position take a decimal dot and 0. This is the answer, 0.102564. You can check with your calculator. So some numbers may be like, for example, it was given like 2 by 23. 2 by 23. It was given to you and asked you to find the fractional value. In such cases, so you have to make this last 3 to 9. Then only we can use this technique, right? So what should you do is just multiply and divide with 3. And you know 3 2s are 6, and divided by, if you multiply with 3 to this 23, then it will be 69. Now the last digit will be 6, okay, and you have to do ekadikena. Ekadikena means 1 more than 6 will be 7. So every time, that means you have to multiply with 7. Okay, let us do with simple example. Okay, just change the number, just take 1. Okay, it was better. Then it will be 3, and we will take 4 here. Okay, you can understand because this is just an example video. We are not going to discuss, okay, enter the process. I am just explaining this technique how to do. Yes, there are some numbers, they are non-repeating numbers, like it takes so much time. So that much time we are not giving in this video. So I am dealing with simple examples, right? So take this number. You should multiply. You should multiply with 4 every time, and this 6 will be here in the last decimal. And 6 4s are how much? 6 4s are 24. 4 here. 2 will be in your mind. 4 4s are 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2, 18. 16 plus 2, 18. And 1 in your mind. Fine? 1 in your mind. Next, 8 4s are 32 plus 1, 33. 3 in your mind. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 1 in your mind. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 2 in your mind. 1 into 4, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 4s are 24. Now you can observe that these decimals are again repeating. So you can stop this procedure, okay, from here and make 0 point. So this will be the answer. You can check these values with your calculator. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to create entire Vedic mathematics, every level and every skills, and every formula I'm going to explain. So please subscribe, share with your friends, especially share with your kids. Then they can learn these Vedic techniques. Then they feel very easy, and it will be like, okay, so much interesting, you know. So please subscribe this channel and encourage me. Okay, thank you very much in advance. Bye bye.